What's up guys, for today's video, we will teach you how to set up Active Directory domain services and DNS server in Windows 2008 server. So first thing you need to do is you need to change your dynamic IP to a static one, because a dynamic IP could change, which would cause network clients to lose their DNS server, leading to connectivity issues. So you need to go to Network and Sharing Center, then go to Local Area Connection, Properties, and the IPv4. So you need to set up the IP. And then you need to set up the Active Directory domain services. Click next. Then you need to click create a new domain in a forest. So if you have this error, just follow what it says. So we need to change the password of the administrator. So the password must have a capital letter, a character, and a number. So you need to restart your VMware. Then go to DC Promo again. So in our case, we need it godspeed.com. Then we used Windows Server 2008 R2. Then click next. Then click yes. Then next. You need to have a password. Then you can export it and save it. Then you need to wait a few moments for it to finish. And here it is guys, we successfully set up the Active Directory domain services and DNS server.